Hi folks, this video is just showing me replacing the screen and while it's apart the battery on my old second phone. It's an iPhone 7 and obviously you can see the screen's broken, so this is just for me to utilise this as a second recording device for videos. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm having to use a pry device to separate the screen. On these iPhone 7s there was a waterproof rubber seal. Just be careful with the ribbons on the inside. You can then see the cover plates are covering the Lego joints, which obviously plug into the main board. Once you take these, be careful obviously to keep these screws in order because some of them are different lengths. Remove this plate and then there's two Lego type connections. Disconnect those. Again, once you finish here, you move up to the top. There's a third ribbon, and you again be careful where you put your screws. There's two screws you need to remove. Remove the insulating plate and disconnect the Lego connection again and remove the screen. This is just showing you how I'm keeping my screws in order. Disconnect the lower one. Okay, so be gentle and remove the cover plate. And then using the plastic pry tool, unplug the only way to describe it is like a wee Lego connection. You see the sealant there that's still around it to make it waterproof. I actually bought the replacement screen which came with all the earpiece and microphone still attached. The button's the only bit that needs replaced. Okay, so battery tab. So you grab, obviously be very gentle with this because if this tears, you're going to struggle to get the battery out. So just be very gentle. Take your time. And it just comes out at the very end. Again, do the same with the second one, but again remember to be very gentle because you don't want to have to prise the battery up because you're at risk of obviously puncturing the Lego battery, which will induce a fire. And it should just lift it away. So obviously this is an iPhone 7, there's not actually an awful lot to it. And it is actually an awful lot easier to work at than what an iPhone 6 would have been. This is just applying new adhesive to the new battery. Just obviously ensure whenever you're placing it in that the Lego connection is in the right position. As you press it down, you'll just feel a distinct click as you press it down. You don't need to force it, it will just pop in, so it's just a matter of moving it about ever so slightly and gently, and it will just fall into place. Obviously, as I said, the new screen didn't come with the button, so you have to be very, very gentle with this, because the adhesive, the original button, is stuck down with adhesive. You may want to order a new button. As I say, they're very cheap on the likes of eBay. As I say, because it would save you if you tear it, the ribbon. It's not going to work anymore. This is just applying the button back into the new screen. And again, when you're applying these connectors, as I say, you just put your finger on it, or any sort of, obviously touch anything to reduce any static sort of transmission. But all you're doing is just putting pressure down on it, and it will, you just feel it just fall into place, and then you'll feel a distinct click. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, before securing the screen in place, I'm just going to ensure there's full connection and the actual screen is working and lighting up and is fully functioning as per touch. As you can see, everything's working correctly. Thanks for watching.